Hello students, here is another question. Here we are given two statements. So these two statements, statement 1 states sodium hydride can be used as an oxidizing agent. Now statement 1, as you can see over here, is false, as NaH is a reducing agent and NaH dissociates as Na plus and H minus. As you know, Na plus does not have an oxidation state more than +1, so it's going to accept electrons from the other species, and H minus over here is a stronger reducing agent in this case, because a species when accepts hydrogen is said to be reducing in nature, and the species that provides the reducing agent, that is H minus, is called as a reducing agent in this case. And the lone pair of nitrogen in pyridine, if you look at the structure of the pyridine, you can see that nitrogen has one lone pair on it, and we know that whenever a species has lone pair in it, that it is able to donate to other species. We know that the species that donates the lone pair is basic. Thank you.